Anila,
Sir, yeah,
this is the
I'm
first.
seeing the
First.
mock interview first, but my slot is on Monday morning.
Acha, acha. I have given you Monday morning. What is the date? Fifth.
Fifth
Fifth. Okay.
morning,
Okay.
6 o'clock.
Okay. 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 No problem. Now somebody else will come. I think so. Maybe
Yeah,
Aman Singh will come. No problem. You be watching.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Aman Singh. Aman Singh.
Yes, sir.
Aman Singh. Good evening. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior.
Acha. You are appearing for Karnataka Bank or which interview?
Sir, I appear for Karnataka Bank.
Acha, acha. Which date is your interview and in which place?
The 8th of September in New Delhi.
Very good. Excellent. Oh, this is the first time we are taking our mock interview, no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is your number starting with 89599?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Aman Singh, आपका बारे में बताइए. Please tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am Aman Singh, live in Gwalior, a beautiful monumental city in Madhya Pradesh. I completed my graduation in BCom through Jivaji University. Then after I have do post-graduation in computer application from Makhanlal University in Bhopal. Then after that, I have make my ardent effort to pursue my career in banking sector, and I hope that one day I get my jackpot.
What are your strengths, Aman Singh?
So basically, my strength are communication, confidence, credibility, versatile in nature, set targets, and dedicated to them.
Very good. Can you please tell about your family?
Sir, my family has 5 members. My father is a retired honorary lieutenant. My mother is a housewife. I have 2 siblings. My elder sister is currently recruited as a CHO, community health officer, and my younger sister pursue her career as a chartered accountant.
अच्छा, good, very good. आपने क्या बोला? आपका पिताजी क्या थे?
Sir, honorary lieutenant. Rightly, he has been retired.
What is it? What was he?
Honorary lieutenant.
मतलब honorary lieutenant का मतलब
Basically, in case when any person has been retired from a defense after successful completion of their service, then if he has to perform some exemplary function in their unit or battalion, then he has to be promoted for honorary lieutenant. It has been a respected full post which
very
has
good.
been given after the retirement.
So what was the designation he was having in the end when he retired?
So,
He was a captain or he was a major or what was he?
sir, captain.
Captain. Very good. Excellent. 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 Good. Then the question will be for you. Why have you not tried for army?
Sir, at night, when I joined the class, I said that I am suffer from high hypermetropia.
Oh, so you told me. Sorry. Some eye problem.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But will it affect your work? No.
Sir, it's just a long sightedness. I have to wear a power glasses.
अच्छा. Good. Very good. Excellent. अच्छा जी, आपको मध्य प्रदेश में आप कितना ब्रांचेस है जानते हैं आप कर्नाटका बैंक का?
Sir, seven.
Only 7 branches.
Yes, sir.
आप क्या जब सिलेक्शन हो रहे हैं आप क्या कर्नाटक एमपी का अंदर में चाहते हैं और बाहर भी काम करने के लिए अब तैयार हैं?
Sir, if you talk about the preference, then I prefer that I have to be posted in a northern region of India, But if I get a chance to post it in a southern side, then I am comfortable in it.
Very good. Very good. Very good. How will you manage in a new place? Do you know cooking and all?
Mm, Sir, I know to cook, but I think that I have to I consider to continue my studies. That's why I think I have to prefer for um, get some accommodation or
Paying guest accommodation.
yes, sir. Yes,
Acha, you want to pursue what? You want to study what?
sir. BCom. I'm just BCom graduate,
Mm. So now what do you
and
want to study
after
further?
that,
What do you want to study after joining bank also? What
Sir,
is mm,
basically, I thought that I have to complete my post graduation, and after that, I have to get PhD in economics.
acha, you want to do PhD also. That means you will resign and go out and do it.
Yes, sir.
but ये बोलने से तो आपको सोचेगा ना आपको क्यों नौकरी देना है
Uh,
ये मत बोलो
okay, so let's I say.
ए नो नो ये मत बोलो खाली आप ये बोलेंगे हम तो पेइंग गेस्ट अकोमोडेशन में होगा क्योंकि हम तो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के लिए पढ़ने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे बस
So in case
इसका
open university, I feel
हाँ ऐसे या ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ेंगे उसका बाद में if necessary I will also pursue for bank exams like JAIIB and CAIIB
so
because
it's
because
just a compulsory for me for a promotion.
yeah so it is going to be banking accountancy and also commercial law it is very easy for you to pass okay
I want to ask one thing. In Karnataka Bank, if you have to get a promotion for a PO or a assistant manager, then it is necessary to get post graduation, or either I have to go for a post graduation diploma in banking awareness.
no I'm not sure about it but normally in Karnataka bank whenever they recruit post probationary officers they take only postgraduates
Yes, sir. That's why I ask.
they ask only postgraduates. So, but when you pass JAB, CAB and all, you will not be competing for with outsiders, but you will be competing for promotion within the organization. Okay?
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. Acha ji, now can you please tell me um, what you will do for us better than what others can do?
Mm. Sir, I have told you that I complete my graduation from BCom. So in my primary subject is business, where most prominently focus on maximization of profit, covering the market share, how to compete with their competitor, and use innovative technology, and how to satisfy or attract customer. These are the basic thing which in business or BCom has to be taught to their student from the primary stage. So I thought that I have not faced any difficulty regarding interacting or making or wider the scope of bank. Or I think if I have get the chance, then I can prove it in a better or a best way.
Mhm. Acha ji. Now, how will you market our home loan products? What strategies will you adopt?
So it's just depend upon the job profile that I have to work. Basically, in case of clerical, then you cannot go for a direct advertisement. Most of cases. So I think to exercise a market or reach a wider scope for the market, I have to do. Uh, it's just it's just limited to a bank branch. So I have think that a cordial relation with the customer may attract the customer, or I feel the basic problem which has been faced by a customer is that they have not not just level qualified t- to fill up the form accurately. Most of time I have faced difficulty in dealing with terminologies of bank. So I think pasting up pamphlets or a poster on separate display board regarding filling the form may feel customer that they can fill the requirements or guidelines very carefully, or grievance text has to be set up for him, which has been helped to deal with all legal formalities.
Actually, for this question, the answer could have been I will try to contact people door to door canvassing. I will try to make contact through our own existing customers, their friends and relatives. I will contact and I will try to tell about the plus points of our scheme and try to request them to take loan from us. I will insist on, say, their salary certificate, income tax returns. I will ask for documents of property they are going to buy. The valuation of it will be done by engineer. Then the title of the deeds of property will be verified by our lawyer. Like that, you should tell something about that, what you will be doing.
Sir, sir, I want to say,
Marketing,
it-
more importance for marketing. Plus, what are the important ingredients for this loan? ये भी बताना है. But इतना
sir,
टफ क्वेश्चन
what,
पूछने का उम्मीद नहीं है फिर भी. Yeah.
no, sir, I have more points that if I have to promote it to a officer post, then may I use banking mitras to penetrate in a rural sector, basically the female population in a rural sector which have been less penetrated by, or basic facility of banking has not been reached to her. Sir,
So
how can I say
you can tell that also.
sir, basically I give a suggestion to a higher management to uh, to design a mascot for a bank.
No, actually, no, listen. Giving suggestion is something else over which you have no control. आप अपने साथ से क्या कर सकते हैं ये बताना है.
So that's why I say that it's
आप
just
no,
limited to a job profile.
आप no, job profile तो जानते हैं. What is the job profile of bank clerk? आप जानते हैं ना.
So
So
that's why I say it's limited to a branch.
no, true. Branch का अंदर में क्या करेंगे ये तो पूछ रहा हूँ.
So that's why I say to attract
आप खाली
the
दूसरे
customers, paste up pamphlets.
सुनो ना,
Yes, sir.
पैम्पलेट्स बनाएंगे, बताओ करेक्ट. लेकिन आप ये नहीं बोलना है हम तो मैनेजमेंट को सजेशन देंगे, ये तो तुम्हारा काम नहीं है. ये तो बाद में है, पहले आप अपने काम ठीक से करवाना है.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ये तो समझ गया.
Okay, sir. So,
Yeah.
sir, I have to say only those points that you suggest me.
Whatever I told you and something more related to canvassing. आप कैसे canvass, आप ये बोल सकते हैं हम तो एक I will keep a target for me. I would like to achieve that. I will talk to people happily. I will talk with a smiling face. I will explain all the schemes of details of our product and convince them to take the loan from us. ऐसा बोलना है. All that I told are things which you can do by yourself. समझ गया.
Okay, sir.
जो आपने कर पाएंगे वो बोलना है. समझ गया. दूसरे लोग क्या करेगा वो बोलने के लिए हम लोग का पावर नहीं है.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ठीक है. Good. Now please tell me what do you understand by digitalization in banking, and towards what do you know? Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, Indian Post Payment Bank.
Really? India
Yes.
Post. अरे भाई पहले बार सुनते हैं. फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट आई एम कमिंग अक्रॉस फॉर इंडिया पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक. इसका मतलब did you open it by visiting them or you opened by online?
Sir, I opened to physically visit the branch in 2016.
अच्छा, 2016 you opened. You have a savings account there?
Sir, National Post Office Saving Bank account.
Super. Very good. What is the maximum amount you can keep in this account?
Sir, it is no limit. Just it start from 1000 rupees, or either you have to be paid in an installment of 100 rupees, multiple of 10.
No, actually, you are supposed you can keep maximum 2 lakhs only.
Sir, I have just visited the website, then there has been written no limit.
Acha, acha.
Yes,
You are having account with the post office, not India
yeah,
Post Payment Bank.
sir, post office, yes.
Your account may be in post office, in which case you can keep any amount of your choice. Have you been given a debit card, credit card, and all?
Mm, sir, yes, sir. I have given a debit card.
Mhm. Can you please, do you have that with you nearby or it is inside?
Sir,
Andar hoga.
it's just a distance of 2.5
No, no,
kilometer
no.
from my.
I'm not asking about the post office. वो पासबुक वाला आपका साथ ही रहेगा ना, बाहर में है, बहुत दूर में है, वो देखने के लिए बोलना चाहते थे। कोई बात नहीं, आप उसको देख लो, उसमें क्या बोला है। मेरा ख्याल से आपका अकाउंट पोस्ट ऑफिस में होगा, पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक ऐसा लिखा है ना क्या उसका ऊपर में?
Sir, I have to see it.
नो, आई थिंक इंडिया पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक कब शुरू हुआ?
No, not it. Sir, there is a different side in Indian post payment account.
That is different. India Post Payment Bank, though, it was started only in 2018.
So, I think, sir, I have account in National Saving in Post Office.
हाँ, ये बोलो।
Yes, sir.
So आपने गलत बोल दिया. It is not post and payment bank. It is only post office. You have account with post office. Why did you open account with post office? Normally people open account with banks.
Mm, Sir, it's just basically my uncle just recruit in a post office. So in emergency, I need account, so I have to open account in post office.
Supposing you want to open account, which bank will you prefer now?
Sir, I want to
Nearby, which branch is there? आपका घर के पास?
sir, there is many branch SBI, PNB,
So
Canara
many,
Bank, many
so many,
more branches.
so many banks are there. Very good, very good, excellent. Acha ji, can you please tell me what is NEFT?
Net electronic, so NEF, net electronic fund transfer. Okay, sir.
Please tell me again.
Sir, net electronic fund transfer. It's just basically a batch electronic transfer from one account to another account. It's just a batch based transaction which has to be transferred by digitally by bank to bank. Basically the process in net electronic fund transfer is slower as compared to RTGS.
Not a net electronic, it is national electronic funds transfer. Hello.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, very good. What is the difference between RTGS and NEFT?
So basically, most of cases, the time period has been required for making a transaction between two has been deferred. Or in case of RTGS, the transfer of money has been made instantly. But in case of national electronic fund transfer, the transfer has to be made in a batches, which make it to delay as compared to RTGS.
Very good. And minimum amount in RTGS is 2 lakhs. यहाँ पर minimum amount कुछ नहीं है NEFT में.
Yes, sir.
Very good. अच्छा जी, आप कब ज्वाइन किया हम लोग का ग्रुप में?
Sir, I have joined on 28th of July.
जुलाई और अगस्त?
So July.
जुलाई?
No, yes, no, sir. August, August, August.
Only 3-4 days. इसलिए तो
Yes, sir.
आप जो लिंक हमने भेजा उसको ओपन करना जानते हैं? आप कैसे ओपन करना है, कैसे क्या सब पढ़ना है, आप जानते हैं नहीं जानते हैं?
Sir, basically, I opened 2-3 link. So and that's related to Karnataka Bank. So I read about there has been a list of question in which the question which has to be asked in an interview. I see that. But
I will show
after
you.
that there has been
I will show you. आपने क्या करना है? You have to. I have given you the link. वो link को आप press करना है. वो link को आप press करने से, just a minute. You have to apply that link and go search for the documents. This will take you to this place. Are you getting this?
yes sir, yes sir, I got this.
Yeah, here you have to read this file thoroughly. Bankers Adda interview, note kar lo.
Yes sir.
Then you have to go through. There are so many things you can see, but then at least this you should go through.
Read all the content.
Infinite small. ठीक है?
Okay sir.
इन्फिनिट स्मॉल, ये तो खोलने से आप ऐसा आएगा वो स्मॉल बुक ओनली, इसलिए इसको आप बैंड विथ विंडो विथ में जाओ एंड देन जाके अच्छा से ये पढ़ लो, पूरा पढ़ लो. पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा?
No sir, I cannot open this link.
वही
Sir, I think
you
most
can
of
do
content
it,
is
you can do it only in laptop, I think so. सेल फोन में आएगा नहीं आएगा पता नहीं. हाँ, फिर भी हम आपको और एक बार भेज रहा हूँ, और एक बार भेज रहा हूँ. डोंट वरी. आपका नंबर क्या है?
8959912344
1 minute. 895.
91.
Oh, wait, don't tell. और एक बार दे दिया आपको इसको. You are having laptop at home?
Yes sir, I have.
इसको रख के कर दीजिए, आपको हो जाएगा.
Okay sir.
ये दोनों पढ़ लीजिए, उसका अलावा जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं आपको क्वेश्चन सब पढ़ लीजिए. देन कर्नाटका बैंक वेबसाइट पे जाके देख लीजिए और न्यूज़पेपर भी पढ़ लीजिए. न्यूज़पेपर के लिए तो हम लोग का, आर यू मेंबर ऑफ माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप 72020?
No sir, I don't get
नो.
information about Telegram group.
कुछ जरूरत नहीं, खाली अभी इसको क्लिक कर दो, आपको हो जाएगा. टेलीग्राम में जाके ये डाल दो, आपको आ जाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay sir.
वो
Okay, sir.
टेलीग्राम पेज कैसे होगा? ये है हम लोग का टेलीग्राम पेज. आप देख रहे हैं?
Yes sir.
आप देख रहे हैं? दिस सिवन बॉम्ब SBI IBPS देख रहे हैं?
Yes sir, I got this.
या इसका अंदर में हमने ये दिया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल mock personal interview Karnataka. I don't know where did I post that. देखिए करंट अफेयर स्निपेट्स डाला है.
Yes sir.
ये तो
I see,
1 अगस्त to 31 अगस्त. इसमें से इम्पोर्टेंट यू प्लीज रीड अबाउट योर स्टेट, रीड अबाउट बैंकिंग, रीड अबाउट जनरल पॉलिटिक्स. ठीक है?
Okay sir.
बेस्ट विशेस. यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल. अच्छा से पढ़ो, पढ़ के क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यू में अटेंड करके एंड उस रोज में आपको खुशी होगा तो आप ऑनलाइन में आ जाओ 8:45 PM. अदरवाइज जो क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा है उसको हमको बोल दो. ठीक है?
Okay sir.
प्लीज टेल. थैंक यू.
Okay, thank you sir.
थैंक यू. बेस्ट विशेस. नाउ अर्चित कुमार मंडल.
Yes, sir.
So your number is starting with 89613.
Yes.
Very good.
8961.
896 8961 na?
Yes, yes, yes.
No problem.
8961.
Okay, don't tell fully. 8961 will do. Okay, very good. Shall I start the interview for you now? Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Very good. So, good evening. You are coming from which place?
I am coming from Bali, Howrah district, which is in West Bengal.
अच्छा. वेस्ट बंगाल. गुड. आपको किस तारीख इंटरव्यू है? किधर इंटरव्यू है?
I have interview on Kolkata. which is near IDBI Bank
अच्छा,
headquarters.
you are going for IDBI.
Yes, yes, I am going
तब
from
तब
IDBI.
तब तो इसको अभी बंद कर देगा. I will restart and उसमें आ जाओ आप, ठीक है? हेलो.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. When I will rejoin to this.
No, again rejoin करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, 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 sir.
Thank you. I will close this now. Stop.